Hi fellow gardeners, homesteaders, and woodworkers. This time we got a really quick video for you on
a giant beet.
Yeah, we're gonna just show you its current size and growth progress.
This is just a table beet. This isn't like a mango beet or a sugar beet or anything like that. This is just a table beet. So
it's not really, the genetics aren't really for extra large size. Is that what you're saying?
I mean, they've been bred to get big, but they're not
like the sugar beet.
Yeah, they're not like a sugar beet or other kind of beets.
So, okay, let's go see this thing.
So we're just going to measure the beet now and put a nice flexible tape around it so you can see how big around it is. So here we are. Take a look at this thing. I got it strung around the bottom of the beet, and looks like it's somewhere right around 43 inches. See if we can get a better 42 and a half, somewhere in that area. Inches around.
Yeah, that's huge.
And it's a monster beet, and here we can maybe get a height kind of as far as where the beet actually goes up to here. About right here, about maybe about 15 inches, 16 inches long. There.
If I can get the leaves out of the way here.
Something like that.
You got a leaf right in the way. Okay, I see it. Yeah. Whoops.
So somewhere around 15, 16 inches tall, and we don't know how deep it is in the dirt, in the soil. So we'll find that out when we harvest it.
Yeah, if you can see, the flesh of this thing is just knobby. It goes all different directions.
Yeah, like has a big old growth. You know, it's shooting out here, and there's one here, and there's one over here, and there's some on the backside shooting out.
Crazy thing.
So we'll see what it is when.
So can you just measure, put the measuring tape in front so people can kind of see just straight across, just put a straight line across the front of it?
Okay, let's see here. Get the right direction so it's right side up. So about from here to here, it's about 18 inches across.
Yeah, and you're on the nodule over there on the left side. Well, yeah. And then over here, you're pushing on a nodule there.
Yeah,
I see.
So 17, 18 inches, somewhere in that area.
Yeah.
In that direction. I don't know if it can be wider. It looks like it's wider over in this way. It looks like this one's, what is this here? Let's see, get through all the leaves. Let's see what we got.
This is crazy. This beet is so huge.
Over there to over here, that's about 21 inches in that direction.
Yeah.
So
that's crazy, Dad.
Yeah, it's fun.
Look at that. I'm trying to see if I can get focus down there for you guys. You can see kind of the growth of this beet. It's kind of cool looking at the bottom where it meets the soil.
Big roots going down in there, kind of in the soil.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how. Usually they don't go very deep in the ground, so I'm not, expecting to be real deep down in there. But we'll see. You never know. They all grow differently, so it may be deeper than what I'm thinking.
Let's see. Let's have a look on the other side here.
There's a big growth right here, coming out the side.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's just crazy, Dad. Wow. All right, well, I can't wait till we get to harvest that beet. How much do you think it'll weigh?
I think it might be 30 pounds, maybe more.
I'm gonna guess it'll weigh 40 pounds.
Okay.
We'll see who's closer.
Yeah. I hope you are.
And we'll keep posting updates as it gets closer. So just keep a watch on our channel here and you can see more updates on that. Well, that's all for now, folks. Remember, Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father, but by me.